In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ChatGPT desktop app shortcut for Windows 10 or 11. Adding a desktop app shortcut can make your life a lot easier, allowing you quick access to ChatGPT right from your desktop. It's a simple process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you don't miss a thing. First things first, you want to open your internet browser and head over to Google. This is your starting point for finding ChatGPT online. Once you're on the Google homepage, head to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. This should bring up a list of search results, but you want to look for the official ChatGPT website. It usually appears as one of the top results, so go ahead and click on it to navigate to the site. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, locate the three-dotted menu icon in the upper right corner of your browser window. This menu icon is a common feature across most web browsers, so you should be able to find it easily. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options. You'll want to scroll through these options until you find one labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Once you've found it, click on it. With this menu expanded, you'll see an option that reads Install Page as App. Selecting this option is what will allow you to create a shortcut that launches directly like a standalone app, giving you quick access to ChatGPT anytime you need it. It's a great feature to use if you find yourself frequently visiting certain websites and want an app-like experience. After clicking on Install Page as App, you'll be prompted with a confirmation window. Click on Install. What this does is create a shortcut on your desktop that will instantly open the ChatGPT website as a standalone app. So once you've agreed to install, go ahead and minimize your browser or return to your desktop to confirm the shortcut has been successfully created. And there you have it. You've now added a ChatGPT desktop app shortcut on your computer, giving you fast and direct access to the AI whenever you need it. This shortcut functions like any other app on your desktop, so you can move it around, place it in folders, or pin it to your taskbar if you like. It's a simple yet effective way to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments section below. Happy chatting!